Alright, good day students. You are required to find the integral value of this definite integral. A limit 3 from 2 to 3, 3 dx divided by x minus 1, s plus 2. So how do you go about solving this type of integral? By merely looking at it, you have to use integration by partial fraction to split this value into two terms. So by partial fraction, let's do it. 3 divided by s minus 1, s plus 2 is equivalent to a in bracket s minus 1 plus b in bracket over s plus 2 over s plus 2. So the next thing is to find the values of a and b. Once we read the equivalent sign, we have to we have to simplify it so that we have the equation sign, which is 3 is equals to a in bracket s plus 2 plus b in bracket s minus 1. So let's find a and b. We do that by substituting value of x that we make one of the variable equals to 0 so that we solve for the other variable. In this case, let x equals to minus 2. When s is equals to minus 2, this implies 3 is equals to a in bracket minus 2 plus 2 plus b in bracket minus 2 minus 1. So notice this term is equals to 0. And here we give us what? Minus 3b. So we have minus 3b. In this case, we have 3 is equals to minus 3b. Divide both sides by minus 3b, minus 3. If you do that, this will give us minus 1. You have b to be equals to minus 1. So we have gotten b to be equals to minus 1. b is equals to minus 1. Then let's clean here. The next is to find the value of a. So let s equals to 1 so that b will be equals to 0. In this case, we have 3 is equal to a in bracket 1 plus 2 plus b in bracket 1 minus 1. So notice this term is equals to 0, and here we have 3a, and that gives us 3. So adding 0 to a number is equals to the number. So in that case, we can remove this plus 0 and divide by 3 so that we find the value of a. So in this case, a is equals to 1. Now we have gotten the value of a and 1. We have to substitute it in the equation. Substitute it in the equation. So from here, you have a is 1 and b is minus 1. So you put minus here. Now you have gotten the partial fraction of the given expression. We can now go into solving the integration. So in the given integration, integral 3 2 dx is equivalent to integral 3. Here is 3. Let me give a gap. 3 2. It is integrating everything in the box. So from here, what do you solve? From here we have what? You have integrated. If you do that, you have len, because there is no other attachment here, it will be len s minus 1 minus len s plus 2. Remember, the range 2 is to 3. So from here, you have to substitute the values. for the definite integral. So integral 3 to 3 dx over sc minus 1 sc plus 2 is equals to, you put 3 first, you put the value of 3 first, so ln in bracket 3 minus 1 minus ln 3 plus 2 minus, put bracket, then put 2 ln in bracket 2 minus 1 minus ln 2 plus 2. So see it. So the first is you have to substitute 3 first. Wherever you see s, you put 3, you put 3. The minus, you substitute 2. Wherever you see x, you substitute 2. So from this junction, from this point, we have what? We have ln 3 minus 1 will give us what? Will give us 2. Minus ln what? Ln 5. This is 5. Minus in bracket ln 1 minus ln what? 4. So let's bring it up. Let's screen here and bring it up. So bringing it up, you have what? You have ln 2 minus ln 5 minus, put bracket, ln 1 minus ln 4. You close bracket. So let's clean here. So from here, what is the next thing? Then simplify. We have what? Ln, applying the logarithm law, you have 2 over 5 minus, applying here, you have ln 1 over 4. Is it not? So here you still have to apply, there is ln here, there is ln, there's negative next sign for them. Have ln and bracket, this is bracket 2 over 5 divided by 1 over 4. So we have what? Ln in bracket 2 over 5 times 4 over 1, and that gives us what? Ln 8 over 5. So that is it, which means the integral value of this a definite integral is equals to ln in bracket 8 over 5. You don't put constant because it's a definite integral. If you enjoy this lesson, click the subscribe button to encourage me for more videos for your view. Like and share, click the notification button whenever I have no update. You'll be the first person to watch the video. You can go to our website at www.manzananews.com/ebook and buy book in calculus. Many of these are treated there. You will enjoy it. Practical book, more than 200 questions and answer solutions to help you a lot do well in your internal and external examination. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.